Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the lookup table tidy and consistent. Excel needs predictable types to return correct values. Once done, name the range or lock it with absolute references so formulas don't shift. Next, decide whether you'll use index alone or combine index with match to locate rows or columns dynamically. Make sure column order and header labels match your intended index numbers. This reduces errors and speeds up building the subsequent formulas. Now implement the formula. You'll often pair index with match because match finds the position and index returns the value. Start with a simple index, range, match, value lookup column 0, and test it against known examples. For two-way lookups, use index, table match, row val, row header 0, match, call val, call header 0. Once you have working formulas, copy them down with relative references or use absolute ones for headers. If things might be missing, wrap with ifr to show a friendly message. Finish by validating results across multiple rows and edge cases. Convert formulas to values only when you need a snapshot. If you see unexpected hash and slash or wrong matches, make sure data types align and eliminate stray spaces. Trim often fixes invisible mismatches. When a formula still misbehaves, use Evaluate Formula or select segments and press F9 to inspect intermediate outputs. Finally, document key ranges and include ifr handlers so your workbook remains
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.